Welcome to MSIX tutorials. The last time around we discussed about what is MSIX, why we should use MSIX, what are the advantage of MSIX over the traditional method, or what are the features that MSIX has over MSIX and Apex technologies. Also, we discussed about how does MSIX works behind the scenes, like what is the actual process of application installation and application removal in MSIX. So let's discuss about additional benefits and features of an MSIX. First is block-based updates. MSIX allows for block-level differential updates, meaning only the changed portion of the package are downloaded during an update, reducing bandwidth uses and speeding up the update process. So how does it work? It works like, suppose you have an application installed and it has different files. Every file has different blocks, which is of 64 KB size. So now there is a new source or an updated media available, updated source available, or an updated MSX package is available. So instead of downloading the complete content that was the case in traditional application, here in MSIX, it will check the portion of that block that if it is changed with the newer one, then only it will install that block only. Otherwise, those blocks which are not changed and which are same as the updated application, then it won't download it. So it provides a differential update way. In this way, we are reducing the bandwidth and speeding up the update process. We'll go in deep, especially about this how block-based updates work when we will be discussing about the actual structure of an MSIX. So there we'll be learning about what is the XML file that is responsible for this block-based updates. But for now, the benefits of MSIX, it supports block-based updates. That means it will only download those files which are changed in the MSIX package instead of downloading whole content. Then package integrity. Block map.xml. This is a file that is part of the MSIX structure. This file ensures the integrity of the package by verifying each file hash during installation and upgrade. So we will discuss about that. But this is the feature of an MSIX that it supports package integrity. It will check the block of each file and folder which is present in the application, and it will check the hash of it. If it is valid and it is digitally signed, then only it will pass the integrity test, and also it will also help in differential updates. Digital signing, we are embedding a digitally signed certificate that has a digital signature in it. So that ensures that software is trustworthy and we can install the application. Application isolation. Application packaged with MSIX are more isolated from the system. That means it is installing to a isolated location. That's why this MSIX technology is also known as containerized technology. It will install the content in a protected file location, that is C program files, Windows apps. So there it will download and install the content there. So it will be isolated from rest of the system. So it will reduce the risk of conflicts and making the system more stable. Universal application packaging. MSX supports both Win32 and UWP application, which means it is a versatile packaging solution. Like it supports MSI, EXIC, AppB, and also Apex packaging ways. So it's a combined way of using all the technologies into one. So it is a versatile packaging solution. Supports for modern deployment method. It is easily integrated and deployed via newer deployment method, namely Microsoft Intune. SSM is there, and also Tanium. So it is also a deployment tool. So it does support in all these three formats. So these are the benefits and features of an MSIX.